SAIC Motor Corporation Limited, the largest automobile company listed in domestic stock market, was the first corporation in China in 2018 to sell more than 7 million cars in a single year. With its increasing scale, automated production line, and improved eco-friendly factory, SAIC has higher demands to update its material handling equipment.
当前汽车行业整个发展趋势，对搬运设备呢就是有比较高的要求。目前是朝这个电动化的方向发展，对环保、对绿色。
大东方面呢是希望我们这块呢建立这个绿色工厂，他们也希望这个充电桩、充电设备能设立的更少一点。
Lithium-powered forklifts and tractors provided by HELI with the advantages of zero emission and low noise fully complied with SAIC's aim to build a green factory. In addition, all vehicles are equipped with rubber traceless tires to ensure that no black marks and brake marks are left in the driving process.
现在这个车间里面也没有像这种传统的铅酸电子这种这些污染，实现了一个绿色环保的一个工厂。
Auto manufacturing and assembly line requires the materials delivered must be punctual, accurate, and suitable. These lithium-powered forklifts and tractors customized for SAIC with the features of fast charging, high endurance, and maintenance-free, fully satisfy the needs of SAIC's typical material handling scenario of high-frequency working tempo and extremely long working time. Embedded simultaneously in forklifts, HELI Fix helps managers to know real-time information.
充电时间上面比较短，然后呢，使用时间也能满足我们生产。就是我们一个班是8个小时，它只要充2个小时就能满足我们整个班的生产。然后呢，无形中呢就减少了我们的备选的叉车以及电池的投入。
每次吃饭半个小时的时间可以充，就可以用大半天的时间。合力车开起来也挺舒服的。
原来呢，如果你用铅酸的叉车，可能不止100多台，可能要200台，因为铅酸的充电时间比较长。现在呢，用合力的充电的这个新能源的叉车，在叉车的使用数量上可以节省30%，在拖车的使用数量上，可能甚至可以节省40%。
Auto manufacturing workshop, especially the assembly workshop, has a strict order for safety of material handling equipment due to its highly complex logistic routes. The numerous designs, including automatic deceleration while making turns, red and blue LED light system, and even standard configuration of warning lights and walking OPS system, can fully safeguard the working security.
上汽集团和合力叉车就是长期的一个战略合作伙伴，经过半年左右的一些运营，现在呢就是基本上各项指标都超出了当初我们的一个期望。
我们这个绿色工厂打造的很重要一个要素，就是我们合力给我们提供的新能源的产品。
Holding on to the core value of put people first, serve the people with fine products, and the slogan of Better HELI, Better Future. HELI announced a strategic partnership with SAIC in 2016, from which the mutual sides would fully exert their advantages to provide each other with better goods and services, and to create a partner relationship of a new kind. HELI, lifting the future.